Hey everyone! In this video we're going to see how to get a good start in the Ants, the mobile game. And already the first super important tip is the layout. Well, it's not super important, but a lot of people get lost, and even I was lost at the beginning. For the layout, even if you've already reached level 10, it's not a big deal. You click on auto layout, then at the very bottom, click on reset. Yes. And actually, now your layout will be set up automatically. There you go, default layout. So everything is done, and everything will be just like mine. So that's perfect. If someone from your clan on Discord wants to chat, you'll be able to say, for example, you really need to upgrade everything to level 8. This is too low. So here you really have to upgrade everything. So you need to keep all that in mind and you can help more easily. So everyone gets the same setup. Everyone will have a magic spot that needs watering. So it's perfect. Really, it's perfect. You're not wasting any time. Tip number 2 is for those who make purchases in the game. You're gonna save money. I'll explain to you in less than a minute how to save money. So I'm going to show you so you can see that it's not fake. You can spend your money and purchase your game packs up to a full 30% cheaper. And for those living in France, you can pay up to 60% less by simply using a VPN service plus Aptoide. What is Aptoide? It's a kind of Play Store, but when you make purchases, you get cash back. So here, for example, the pack here, let's say it's $5. Right there, you'll get 55 cents cash back. That means if you buy 10 like that, you get one free. Even here, if you don't buy 10, you buy 9, you get one free. And on top of that, with the code ANTS1, so you can see it here, I put it here. The code ANTS1 gives you a 5% bonus. So don't forget the code ANTS1. You enter it either every time you use the promo code, and then you'll be able to make purchases and get bonuses. So clearly, for those of you who make purchases in your games, don't hesitate to use Aptoide, and there are quite a few games with codes. I'll put the link in the description to the alicard.fr website with promo codes for Aptoide. And if you need help installing Aptoide, I made a tutorial on my main YouTube channel on how to install Aptoide. So, tip number 3, this is really every day, it's super important. Go to your VIP section, collect your bonuses, and make sure to check in. Check in every day so your VIP level goes as high as possible, and at the same time, don't forget to do the hatchings. That way you get all the free stuff. That's the little thing you shouldn't forget. Log in at least every day to do this. Tip number 4 is, every single day after doing that, you should at least make sure to complete all of your daily missions. So go here to the daily missions rewards section. And there, complete all your daily missions to reach at least 500 points. When you reach 500 points, you'll get quite a lot of extra resources and you'll be able to progress faster. So this is really the bare minimum you should do every day. As you know, the Ants is a multiplayer game, and if you don't log in every day, you'll fall behind. And if you fall behind, it means you'll either have to spend money or you'll always be behind and never be able to catch up. The 5th tip is to check out the events. You go to the event center, and here it's extremely important to check out all the events. First, to claim everything that's free. For example, here, look, we've got this that's free. Here we take a quick look at the packs, but we really focus on everything that's free. In the Alliance trial, make sure to check all options. For example, to place baits, you'll need to check expeditions, dry season, colony actions, as well as your ant topics. Well, okay, that part doesn't really matter, but that's why you need to look at everything that's available so you can participate in the events. Events will give you a significant amount of extra resources. And the more you complete events and reach higher rankings in them, the more rewards you'll get and the more you'll pull ahead of your competition. So, for tip number 6, something that's extremely important for events is that when there are construction or research events, you absolutely have to save the right resources. We'll take a look at that right now. So let's go into the inventory, and here in the speed up section, you really need to keep as many speed up resources as possible, as well as those for research and construction. That way, whenever there is a major construction or research event happening, that is when you should use your speed ups. For example, right here, I had used all of my event items, so here, I am doing it for evolution. And another resource that's extremely important is mutant spores. This resource is very important because it's what allows you to upgrade your ants. You should know that some ants are stronger than others, so if you use mutant spores on the wrong ants, and then you unlock an ant that's extremely strong for you, unfortunately, you won't be able to level it up, and you'll end up wasting time. That is exactly why you should hold on to your mutant spores until you're sure you'll be maintaining an ant for a long time, and you really need it. Another very important thing to note is that you'll be asked to choose your class. At the very beginning, right at the start, always choose Cultivator, that way you'll get more resources, and you'll be able to progress faster. As you progress in the game, you'll have to choose between Raider and Breeder. I'm not sure how that's translated in English, but it's between Raider and Breeder. And here you'll make this choice about a month or a month and a half into the game, because it will depend on your alliance, the ants you've gotten, and what you want to play, what you want to develop in your anthill. It really depends on a lot of things, so at the start of the game you don't really know yet. Based on that, you'll be able to choose later on between being a raider or a breeder. You won't need to stay with the cultivators anymore. I'll let you check out the video on the 5 tips every beginner should know. There are a few bonus tips that I didn't include here. That way I make 2 videos. You can watch it by clicking right here. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you're making purchases, also use Aptoide. Links are in the description. Bye!